Rishi! Rishi!
Running from all things at once without thinking twice.
Good morning everyone! Welcome back to another vlog! Dito pa rin kami sa Washington DC. We are walking going to Union Station kasi nag-book ako ng hop-on, hop-off bus para mapasyalan namin yung ibang part dito kasi may sponsor po kami. May sponsoran po ng aking tita. May nagpipilita talaga niya na mag-hop-on, hop-off pa bus kami. Kaya ito na yung gagawin namin kasi binigyan na kami ng cash pang book. Hindi na kami pupunta sa Georgetown kasi doon sana yung pupuntahan namin. 10 minutes walk from our hotel to the Union Station.
Can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no.
Oh, ang sarap ng weather. Ang ganito. Ang ganito lang. Sana hindi na umiinit.
Might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I won't. I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you.
Ganda dito sa Union Station, grabe. Sister, check mo na yung
Ito,
mga
tanggalin ko na
napuntahan
to,
na
White
natin.
House.
White House, napuntahan na natin yan.
Ay, capital pala yung napuntahan natin, sister.
Ay, hindi pa na tayo nakapuntang White House?
Di pa. Ano pang napuntahan natin?
Jefferson Memorial, di pa ba tayo nakapunta? Lincoln North, nakapunta na tayo dyan. Tapos
Jefferson
ito,
Memorial,
Washington
di ba napunta
Monument,
na natin?
nakapuntahan na tayo dyan.
Ay, oo nga pala. Okay na yan. Tapos na yan. Pakasin ka dyan! Sana lang! Sana lang!
Sana lang, yung mga walang kasama. Sakay na.
Pupunuin na lang! Sa likod!
Kung may jowa, sa susunod na kayo. Sa susunod na lang.
Malawang pa sa likod! Palawang pa! Malawang pa!
Siksikan pa dyan. Siksikan. Shaman po ito, shaman.
Ano daw sa gudugong? Yung issue makapel.
Oh, ito naman po yung ano namin, baby girl namin.
I got love, love. I got love, love. I got love, love. I got love. Some people say money gets you everything, but it don't make me happy. It's not the reason my heart sings. 'Cause what I've got, you couldn't put a price on that. 'Cause I got something.
Sayang, sarado yung Bureau of Engraving. Yun yung paggawaan ng pero. Yung pamandi yung gusto namin puntahan. Sunday pa lang ngayon, kaya pala walang pila. Yung Air and Space Museum, grabe. Haba ng pila, kaya wag na lang. Grabe ma. Grabe no. Grabing discrimination. Grabing discrimination. Paano kung ngayon to nangyari? Oh my gosh. Grabe. They ruined our store. Nothing is safe for us anymore. Everything is gone. My school, our home, our store, our happy life. What will happen to us? Daniel. Si Erica? My mother says we must hurry with our... Visit ko. Kala ko totoo yung music. You're scaring me. Father says thousands of Jews are being sent away. Erica is crying. Will we ever see home again? Aww. Grabe, oh. Ganito yung itsura nun. That's why we are so lucky na free tayo ngayon. When I leave the museum. dito sa sa spring for cherry blossom naman. Maganda naman yung trees ngayon kasi iba na yung sakit sa mata. Saka maganda yung weather, hindi masyadong mainit ngayon. So chill lang, hindi ako naka-sweater. Itong long sleeve ko lang na manipis yung suot ko, which is good. Puro kami naka-black pala ngayon Pati si Mishi Beng Beng naka-black and white. Si Dita naka-black and white din. Si Daddy naka-black din. Okay. May uniform tayo today. Oh, Mishi Beng Beng. Smile ng smile doon. Nakakaano nga lang, depressing yung Holocaust Museum. Yung story ng pa lang yung sakit na sa dibdib, parang maiiyak ka kung Pero kaya hindi ako nanonood ng mga ganung documentary sa Netflix kasi yung kay Anne Frank pa nun, hindi ko pinanood yun. Kasi, Maganda? Maganda kasi matututunan mo yung story, pero grabe, ang sakit sa puso. Andito naman kami sa tapat ng Bureau of Engraving and Printing. Dito kami nag-aantay ng bus. Diba, napaka-aesthetic naman ng antayin ng bus. Sarado. Yan po man din yung paggawaan ng pera. Baka kanyada. Can I get 2 soft pretzel, please? And then 1 water. And then the souvenir combo 1. Baby. Thank you. Pwede yun. Soft pretzel. Preparing ko. Yeah, you did already. Doritos or Lays?
Doritos.
Doritos. Thank you. Ano din?
Dito na.
Ito ng panghina. Yung mo. Sister! Get your water. Share ta. Oh my gosh. I don't like the gazoo. Uy, nagsamit. Ang tamis. Ang tamis ng Pepsi. Ganito yung pretzels nila dito, guys. Yan. Soft pretzels.
Nag-game airport to yun.
Harap. Malapit ng airport, sister. Ang problema nga lang kasi, yung traffic. Ang daming tours dito, no? Ikaw na lang talaga mamili.
It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Waiting lang kami kay Mac para makaalis na kami. Hindi na nga tayo pupuntang Arlington, sister. Kasi yung last bus doon is 4 PM. Hindi naman natin ginagol na matapos yan today. Lahat. Kasi I know, kulang talaga tayo sa oras. Gusto nyo na mag hop on, hop off bus. 9:30 yung pinakauna na trip nila. Hanggang 5:30. Dapat maga pa lang. Pero kami kasi talagang pagod na kami kagabi. Alas 3 na. Mag-alas 3 na lang natulog ako. Tapos nagising ako ng 7. Nakatulog ulit ako hanggang 9. Mishi Beng Beng. Good mood yung banaining namin na yan. Is this? Mishi! How are you doing, anak ko? Ikaw man matata-shade na tato. She will see stuff. Ay, siya yan? Ay, siya yan? Siya yan? Ha? Siya yan? Kasi itong mga kasama ko, I'm just being friendly. May dumaan kasi dito. Tapos nakadamit ng medical mission, Ilocos Sur, sabi. Tapos sabi ko gano'n, may taga Ilocos kayo magayam, ante. Sabi ko.
Pero yung close ang po.
Tapos,
Tangak, malay mo na ba yung village lang yung t-shirt niya?
tapos hindi, sabi niya, taga Bagyo, Kunana. Kasi nga nakita ko nga yung Ilocos na damit.
Tara na,
At
Mishi.
least sumagot
Ano
naman
ba ba
siya.
yung nanay mo?
Tapos tumatawa kasi itong mga to, kaya tumawa din yung mga kasama. I'm just being friendly eh. Siyempre, I'm from the state na walang Ilocano, walang
Oh, really?
kababayan, o, diba?
Oh, really?
That's why I'm so amazed whenever I see people from the Philippines. Epic talaga yun. Hindi, sa totoo lang. Dapat kasi talaga sa utak ko lang yun. Kaso, subconsciously, nasabi ko naman na ng verbal. Nabasa ko kasi yung damit niya.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in all conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along, proving me wrong. I was so mistaken. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me want to try forever. I feel so free.
Uy, na nagka-cry na. Sleepy na yan. Jesus, huwag na mag-cry.
I was never the one to give it the go, so I was so stuck.
At that, Mishi Bing, look.
To give it 'cause nothing was changing.
Look, oh.
But with you it's
Dito
so
ka sa
clear
FDR
and
Monument with our Mishi Bing Bing.
finally learned my
May ano siya, oh. Braille.
glue all the pieces
Oops,
back together.
steady.
Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you
Nalibot na niya ang buong FDR Monument. Tapos ka na, sis? Tingin? Oh, yan nga yun.
With the video. There you go.
Oh, very good. Ito naman yung pinanta natin kay FBR. Fidel V. Ramos. Instead na FDR. Instead na FDR. Roosevelt. Fidel V. Ramos.
making me wanna try forever. I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby.
So you're just gonna stop here every year?
Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you
Guys, pag pumunta pala kayo dito or any national park in the US, tapos punta kayo dun sa mga stores nila, try to ask for the passport to your national parks. Tapos, may mga stamps din sila. So, i-stamp mo doon kung anong date ka na nag-visit. Tapos, meron yung ito, passport something. Grabe, pati yung Mount Rushmore meron. Hindi namin alam na may ganito pala sa mga national parks. Sayang naman. Wala, nakakaano lang na may talagang ganito. Kasi nga yung trip namin, ang dinala ko ay mga stamps for the postcards. Kaya may mga postcards na ako na nasulatan dito like this one. Pakita ko sa inyo. Itong mga to. Tapos, dala ko na yung mga stamps. Nalagay ko na rin yung stamps. So, maghahanap lang kami ng blue na USPS box or post office na i-drop. Yung mga blue na USPS box, dun lang, pwede lang yun, i-drop nyo lang dun. Pipick up na nila yun. On-time na natin, daddy. Hanggang 5:30 naman. Sayang naman talaga. Nakakatuwa na may ganito ka pag nag-travel ka dito sa US. So, try. 12.95 lang naman siya. Guys, ito talaga yung cherry blossom area. Ang ganda. Dapat talaga spring magpunta dito. Ang ganda siguro dito pag spring. As in, napapalibutan tong lake dito ng cherry blossoms. Hay, naka. Babalik ako dito. Gusto kong bumalik. Saya-saya na naman yung nakawala sa stroller. Eh? Mishi Beng Beng. Mishi Beng. Mishi Beng. Mishi. Mishi. Ang ganda naman ng outfit mo. Hi. Bakit ang ganda ng outfit mo? Sinong bumili niyan? Aling maliit. Aling maliit. Ay, picture naman mo itong... Ay, yung beret. Nandito yung beret. Hey, Mishi.
Cherry trees pala to.
Hi.
Cherry trees daw.
Oh,
It's surrounded by cherry.
Oh, di sana ito yung ano natin. Springtime. So that we will see the cherry blossom. Ni, ito yung pinuntahan natin yesterday, the other day, right? Lincoln. Lincoln Memorial. Malamig na, kaya dito na kami sa taas. Si Daddy na iwan sa baba. Walang space. Ano si Mishi Beng Beng? Oh, walang shades. Hi! We're here. This is a good place because if it's sunset, the view is so nice. Andito na si Daddy. Oh, nag-fry na sa downstairs. Naiwan. Ang happy ng Mishi. Mishi Beng! Mishi Beng! Ala! Kit-kit ng Mishi Beng Beng namin. Happy ka dito tayo sa taas kasi hindi na mainit, no? It's not hot anymore. I guess mami. Galit yung driver. Video ko kayo. It's so nice. Yay! It's a good thing because our travel's gonna be long. Mishi Beng Beng! Mishi! 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 Ang nice na weather. I like it. Compared to last Friday, it was so cold. Yeah, our baby is now being maritas again. Mishi! Ay! Busy, nagmamarites. Yung naka-video naman tong...
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted. And I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah.
are we going? Sundan natin yung my flag. Mukhang yun yung tour guide. Yung.
I will stand by you forever.
Nakakasad naman. Ang dami pang tao. Mas maganda na lang sa ibang monument. Sobrang daming tao ah. Grabe ah. Plus, stop na kasi ito no, sa mga bus. Wala, daming papunta dito ng mga tourists. Grabe. Pwedeng pumasok dyan sa White House if you have the permit, but you need to apply for it months prior. Pero online lang naman, tsaka free. Kailangan mo ng clearance, yung FBI clearance, yung parang nirequest ko nung nagpunta tayong camping, ganun ata. Eh, it will take 3 weeks yun. Magpapa-fingerprint ka pa, tapos 3 weeks yun. So, kailangan mo talaga mag-apply ahead of time. So, ngayon, ang isipin natin ay kung saan na tayo kakain.